Good morning, my name is Ryan from R3 Motorsports, Ferrari Challenge team for Ferrari San Francisco and Boardwalk Dallas. We've been in Challenge for about 20 years now. I'm specializing in Challenge racing. What we're doing today is we're rebuilding one of our 458 Challenge motors. We're actually adding some new technology that didn't exist when the 458 came out. Specifically ceramic coated top pistons. We're the first guys to use that in a Challenge engine. We've done the heads, prepped all the equipment, and we're actually going to put a piston back in the block and start the reassembly process of this race engine.
This is a beautiful Male piston by Motorsports Male, which is being coated on top with a ceramic special coating, and it can support more temperature and dissipate, you know, the heat of the chamber really quicker, so we can have a cooling system working better, oil pressure, and so on. We turn the engine upside down, and now you can see now we have all the rods at the same level, and they're going to be ready to get the crank fit in. And after, we can tie the rods first, and when the rods are tied, we are going to put the oil pan, which is a dry sand pan, and that's the reason why we don't have any main bearing caps. Okay, so we're here now to check, you know, the deck of the piston compared to the, you know, how far out is coming out of the block, because, you know, what's important, most important area of the combustion chamber is the squish, where you can compress all the air through the crown of the piston. So it's really important, especially when you rev up over 9,000 RPM, and you know, a lot of people get focused on the center of the piston, which is the most important. Actually, is the crown that goes from outside in and burn as much as possible to create a good kinetic energy. I'm going to make sure that all the edges are clean. We're going to put in a new gasket, which you can see is a beautiful metal gasket. Just go in, away. And this silicone is the one that seals the edge of the head gasket, because when you put the front cover, the sealant helps you out to create the left gap, which no gasket, so you don't want to have any leak during the running, you know, time. So you seal it with a special bundle. We're going to have a little bit of Picasso today. This is ready to go.